Creating a successful study schedule can be a great way to stay organized and focused on your academic goals. Here are some tips on how to create a study schedule that works for you. Before that, let me know in the comment down below, do you have a study schedule? Tip number 1, start with a blank calendar. Begin by creating a blank calendar or using a planner. This will give you a clear view of your schedule and allow you to block out time for studying. It's important to have a visual representation of your schedule so you can see how much time you have available for studying and plan accordingly. Tip number 2, break down your workload. Breaking down your workload into manageable chunks makes it easier to plan your study sessions. For example, if you have a research paper due in 2 weeks, break it down into smaller tasks such as research, outlining, drafting, and revising. This allows you to allocate specific study sessions for each task. Tip number 3, consider your learning style. Understanding your learning style is important when creating a study schedule. If you learn better in the morning, schedule your study sessions for the morning. If you need to study with others, plan group study sessions. Knowing how you learn best will help you optimize your study schedule for maximum efficiency. Tip number 4, be specific. When scheduling your study sessions, be specific about what you want to accomplish during that time. Instead of simply scheduling study time, schedule specific tasks such as reviewing your notes or working on practice problems. This will help you stay focused and ensure that you are making progress. Tip number 5, allocate enough time. Allocating enough time for each task is important to ensure that you are able to complete it thoroughly. Be realistic about how much time you need for each task and schedule accordingly. It's better to overestimate the time needed than to run out of time and not complete the task. Tip number 6, prioritize your tasks. Prioritizing your tasks helps you focus on what's most important and avoid procrastination. Make a list of your tasks and rank them in order of importance and deadline. This will help you know where to focus your study time and ensure that you are making progress on your most pressing tasks. Tip number 7, avoid distractions. Distractions can disrupt your study sessions and decrease productivity. Try to minimize distractions by turning off your phone or putting it in another room. Avoid social media or other websites that might distract you during your study sessions. Tip number 8, use a timer. Using a timer can help you stay focused and avoid getting sidetracked. Set a timer for a specific amount of time, such as 30 minutes, and commit to studying during that time. When the timer goes off, take a short break before starting the next study session. Tip number 9, plan ahead. Planning ahead can help you avoid last-minute cramming and reduce stress. Look ahead at your upcoming assignments and exams and plan your study sessions accordingly. By planning ahead, you can avoid procrastination and ensure that you have enough time to prepare for each task. Tip number 10, schedule breaks. Taking breaks is important to avoid burnout and maintain focus. Schedule breaks into your study schedule and use that time to recharge, go for a walk, or do something else that you enjoy. Tip number 11, get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for maintaining focus and productivity. Make sure to prioritize sleep and aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Avoid studying too late into the night and instead try to finish your studying earlier in the evening. By incorporating these tips into your study schedule, you can create a plan that works for you and helps you achieve your academic goals. Remember to be flexible and adjust your schedule as needed to ensure that it continues to work for you.